Inyanga yenkanga iza kuba lixesha lemiyoli kubathandi bebhola ekhatywayo nanjengoko beza kubukela amaqela amane adlala kwi-PSL esilwela indebe entsha-kraca kukhuphiswano lwe-Home of Legends kwibala lezemidlalo iNelson Mandela Bay. Namhlanje i-arhente yophuhliso kulomasipala kunye nomasipala wesixeko baphehlelele le ndebe nengazi kuphelele konwabiseni abathandi bebhola kuphela kodwa nabathandi bomculo.
What we are just launching now is something that is going to be bigger than that. We are expecting more than, let's say, 38,000 people to be in this stadium. It's one of those events that the province has never, ever experienced before. To get 4 teams that are in a Premier Soccer League, which are Chiefs, Sundowns, Pirates, and Chippa United, it never happened before. But also coupled with that is the list of artists that will be performing. Only 499, which is the one-day pass. So there's going to be a Legends Kwaito concert after the Cup. So there's a lot that we're expecting, and we know for sure that tickets will be selling like hotcakes because for me it's a bargain. But the most important part for us is that we are able to give what the people from this region and the province has been trying for and has been longing for.
Ukuphiswano nekuza kudlala kulo amaqela afana neMamelodi Sundowns, iKaizer Chiefs, iGolden Arrows kunye neChippa United kulindeleke luphuhlisa uqoqosho lwephondo lonke.
The province as a whole will benefit from this, as we will be getting from the hospitality. Our hospitality industry will be hosting our people, the tourism and transport as well. And our hawkers will be able to sell on their stalls, and our crafters will be able to sell their craft work that they have been doing. So the sector will benefit a lot. There's very good economic spin-offs that the province will be getting.
Umlawulo inhloko kwiChippa United uLukhanyo Mzinzi uthi bayakuvuyela ukusingatha lo msitho kwaye njengeqela lasekhaya baza kuqinisekisa ukuba le ndebe ayihambi kweli phondo lamaqala.
For us, we think we're ready. It's the first one at this stadium. It should stay at home. We've been playing good football. We hope to continue. Unfortunately for us, we don't get to play many friendlies in between the leagues because we're the only club in the Eastern Cape. But this gives us an opportunity to make sure that we continuously assess our boys and young boys from the Eastern Cape. We promoted quite a number of local boys. We hope that they take this opportunity to showcase their skills.
Sithetha nje amatikiti seleqalile ukuthengiswa. Umasipala weNelson Mandela Bay ubongoza bonke abahlali ukuba bathenga amatikiti balizalise lime ngembambi ibala lalo masipala ngomhla we-16 kwinyanga ezayo. Kwiindaba ze-MPK TV, ndinguzanele Bhokhwana.